Hello, my name is Veronica Manson and I'm the new director of the Italian Cultural Institute in Toronto. Welcome to the first event of 2021, the virtual opening of the photographic exhibition Emerging Ecologies by Roberto Damiani, featuring 8 urban projects from Italy and Canada that highlight new ways to build socially and environmentally friendly city environment. Enjoy the show.
Italian Deconstruction is a series of public exhibitions and lectures sponsored and organized by the Italian Cultural Institute in Toronto. I'm here today to give you a virtual tour of the new exhibit titled Emerging Ecologies. The exhibit displays a selection of 8 built landscape projects, 4 from Italy and 4 from Canada, to represent how cities are repurposing underutilized sites through an ecological perspective. The 8 projects are paired up according to 4 themes: earthwork, infrastructure, post-industrial, and waterfront. The earthwork section features Corktown Common in Toronto, designed by Michael van Valkenburg and Associates, and Portello Park in Milan, designed by Land in collaboration with Charles Jenks. Both projects create an artificial topography that articulates the spatial coexistence of multiple ecosystems and spaces for outdoor activities. For the infrastructure section, we selected 2 projects that gave back to the community to underutilized infrastructural spaces. The first is a linear park in Sicily designed by NOWA architects in place of a dismissed railway. The second project is the Ventway in Toronto, designed by Public Works, which represents one of the most successful attempts in the city to repurpose leftover spaces close to larger infrastructures. The next thematic section, post-industrial, displays a pair of projects that turn to large former industrial sites into parks with public amenities. The project we chose to represent Canada is Evergreen Brickworks, designed by an interdisciplinary team led by the Toronto-based firm DTAH. And for Italy, we feature Parc d'Oro in Turin, designed by Peter Latz Architekten. As you might notice, the 2 projects share striking picturesque aesthetics of nature taking over the industrial ruins. The section Waterfront features 3 built proposals that provide recreational and productive access to water in sites previously occupied by industrial functions. To represent Canada, the section features the urban beaches of Kingston and Montreal, designed by Caltagirone and Associates. And for Italy, we have the master plan for Sant'Erasmo Island, designed by C+S architects. Despite the many international environmental agreements, in the last decade very little has been done to make our cities more adaptive and resilient. The exhibition Emerging Ecologies displays a small group of projects that, despite the different geographical contexts, share a common ecological approach to the design of our cities. We hope the show will increase awareness of how landscape and urban design can tackle our city's environmental crisis.